Do you want to build a beautiful website without spending hours on development? The responsive theme gives you instant access to many website templates. You can import these templates, edit the content, and launch your website in few minutes. Whether you are building a blog, business website, or an e-commerce store, you will find a template that perfectly fits your needs. With just one theme, you get access to multiple website templates. In this video, we'll show you how to import the website template on your WordPress website. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you activate the responsive theme and importer plugin, go to Appearance, Ready Sites. You will see a complete list of all the ready sites. Click Preview to check the demo of the ready site. And if you love the design, click the Import Site button. Click the Import Site button to start the magic. It will import all the required plugins, content, and customize the settings. Woohoo! You've just imported a template. Now just edit the content and you have your new site ready. And that sums up the import process. Try out a website template today with responsive free version.